So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to quickly extend this food shot for a package. So here I have the original photo straight from the camera, and we need to do a few things first. So let's do those sort of housekeeping things. Let's go to image, and we go to image size, and here it says normally resamples selected, but I want you to disable resample, change the 72 to 300 if it's not 300 just yet. Click on OK. So now it is at print size. Now you need to extend your canvas, so we go to image, canvas size, and we're going to extend it to the left. So we need to click on this one here, and we see the arrow is going to be pushing it to the left. And let's make the width to be, let's say, 42 centimeters. I've changed the background color to black just for the time being. It does not matter. Click on OK, and then click on OK again. So you can see here now that this has been extended, but we need this board to be extended through there too. So what you need to do is you need to go to the marquee tool, just there, and you need to select the space that you want to be filled, as well as just a little bit of extra space there, just like that. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Next up we go to edit, and then we click on this one here, which is called content aware fill. It's going to bring up a dialog box, and here it's Photoshop is trying to find out different areas that it can sample to get this set of board right. This is your preview right here. It's no means perfect at all, but at least it is a good starting point. Everything seems to be okay here. Okay, so normally as default it is fine. Let's click on OK. So here we have our extended background. Let's disable the marquee tool. So some things that are missing now, we need to get that those slats working again. So if I select this slat, for example, and I press Command J, what's it saying now? I cannot make a new layer from selection because the selected area is empty. Interesting. So we need to go to the background layer, Command J. We need to make this layer go over top of that copy there. Let's go to the Move tool over here, and we're going to move our board separation out. So let's move that out here, for example, and we have that change in the board ready to go, which is good. Okay, so what we can do now is we can duplicate this layer, drag it down to the, where is it, to the new layer icon there, and we can just drag this, oops, go to the copy one, and we can drag this down further there. Okay. Alright, it's looking a bit funny there, so what we can do is we can press Command T to go into Transform tool. We can rotate this around, press Shift at the same time to rotate it in aspect ratio, and double click on it to enable it, and we're going to just move this down and then move it up to where it matches there. You need to use the arrow keys to maybe sort of move it around a little bit. And that's done. Okay. You could add another one here, for example, if you wish, to make it look a lot more realistic. That is a very quick way on how to extend the background of a food board, for example, or grassed area, for example. I might select these two, for example, bring it down to add layer, and I might move these two across. No, it's not going to do it. Select those two top ones, and then can move it across. No. Jeez, it's not really liking me right now. And we can extend that like that there too. Okay, so it needs a little bit more finessing. Alright, but that's it there. Thank you. Bye.